Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make your own homemade stethoscope using a funnel. Check this out. All you need to build your stethoscope is some scissors, 1/4-inch flexible tubing, some plastic funnels, and 12-inch balloons. The first step is to create a diaphragm for one of your funnels. So take your scissors and cut the balloon right where the neck of the balloon starts to become more narrow. Take one funnel and stretch the balloon over the opening of your funnel to create a diaphragm. So you want this to be nice and tight. So pull the balloon down a little bit so it's tight. It should look like this. Your second funnel, you're not going to have anything cover it. Now you're ready to attach this to your 1/4-inch tubing. So it looks like this, and then attach your second funnel without a balloon diaphragm, and your stethoscope is ready to test. The first step is just to sense your heart rate. So take one funnel, cover your ear, take the other funnel, and locate your heartbeat. It should be on the left side, just a little bit lower than your sternum, and you should hear your heart rate even through your shirt. Once you hear your heart rate, it's time to get your resting heart rate. So I would use a stopwatch, and you're going to count how many beats that you have for 10 seconds and then multiply that by 6, and that will give you how many beats you have per minute. So when you're ready, have your teacher, have your partner start your stopwatch. So your resting heart rate should be between 60 and 100 beats per minute. If your resting heart rate is faster than that, you might try taking deep breaths, you might try listening to soothing music, and compare your resting heart rate to your heart rate when you're standing or when you're going for a walk, and see if you can get that target resting heart rate between 60 and 100 beats per minute. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.